coming for you. We in Brazil. Where are we?
Brazil.
Where are we?
Brazil.
Where are we?
Brazil.
Where are we?
Rio.
We in Brazil, baby. We have the palm trees and the beautiful view. Oh, beautiful sun. So nice. We in Brazil. We in Brazil. I'm just excited. 'Cause we in Brazil. We in Brazil.
Okay, now let's twirl it over there. Let's twirl it out of your hand. Why are you trying to make me do everything with my hand?
Morning, we are starting our breakfast at the hotel's dinner. Breakfast. Very nice. First meal. Apparently the sweet potato is lovely. You have the beautiful view. Then you have people over there just riding their bikes, exercising. Quite a redeem over there. Look at the price. Oh, thank you.
You can.
We are at
Maracana Stadium. This is one of two stadiums in the entire world that have hosted two World Cups, the 1950 and the 2014.
This is the stadium. I just Pele's foot. I hate people.
That's so weird.
Hey. Come on, England! Get it in! He goes! He scores! Wait, where's the goal? England! England! Imagine stadium filled with thousands of people. Sao Paulo. This is the one the tour guy loves. This is their change room. This is such a lit changing room. They even have a
Roshan Raymond, this was your first game at Maracana Stadium. How did you feel when?
2 goals, hat-trick.
What?
2 goals hat-trick? 3 goals. Get out of here, stuff. Back to you in the studio. Jamie Rowe.
Come on, England!
Starting 9 p.m. and June 7 p.m.
What?
This is where they have their Carnival Parade. Everyone stands over there. And they walk in their cool costumes. Okay, so that's what it would be. All along here, people singing. We in Brazil, baby. Oh no, you look great. When in Brazil, you gotta dress as Brazilian. Wow, Nut, I feel like you're really in your zone. Like, outfit of the day, guys. So she's wearing this. Turn around. Oh, work. You guys. There's Gucci and Versace, and they're all. Okay. And now let's give it to the professionals. I mean, I think I look better than her, but whatever. Oh my god, what is she trying? I'm just very confused. Beautiful. No. Ew. Oh no, puppy. Ew. Oh no, I've seen too much for my brothers. I think I have to take this off YouTube. This is too much for family. Sorry if you're under. Oh, there we go. That's better. Look at that one.
Let's zoom in on this.
So apparently this is a church. It holds 20,000 people. That is literally crazy. The cathedral. That's just. This is the inside. You have never seen a stained glass that big. Cross at the top. Then 20,000 people just stand in here and watch the mass. That's actually insane. 20,000 people and we'll still be the last ones in, probably.
75 meters high.
All the way
Insta,
up there.
Pelo santo que protege a cidade, pela municipalidade.
So this is the church. That's actually insane. Look at that. Oh wow. Right next to this massive cathedral. Christ the Redeemer right there. What was it called? Sorry?
Cathedral Metropolitana.
It is massive. You guys have to check it out. Have to have that in you, boy.
Banana. Banana.
Yum, yum, yum.
Banana there.
Oh, he's so cute. So the guy told us this is a musical. You guys follow?
Photo. This is really nice.
And the cathedral's right there. Apparently there's a few dodgy people. So if you come here, maybe stay far. I've also been bitten. Police are there apparently, but they're just on their WhatsApp. If you know anything about Brazil, you probably know these. Go.
Hello guys, nice to meet you. My name is Gabriel. You are in good hands, okay? Oh my gosh.
These are the stairs that you probably know the most. Oh my god, I swear to god, our guy is so mean. But he's like, take control of your bag! I don't know. It looks really nice, guys. You should come check it out. And you get some great Instagram pictures, hopefully. But it's very crowded. We're in a shop mostly on the favelas. And we've got this weird, massive pizza thing. I don't even know. It's a beast. It's like right next to the favelas. There's a lot of people. It's quite busy. It's way busier than I thought they were. £2 for this and this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't know what this is. It's like a massive pizza with cheese and ham and bacon. It's good. There's the favela. And it goes up for ages. And wide as well. Food was delicious. Arroz Brazilian. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, look how much they go on for. We're here in this room. So we're gonna go on a helicopter. A helicopter, guys. I've never been on a helicopter. I'm nervous. I'm on a helicopter ride and see Rio de Janeiro. Excited?
Of course now.
I'm excited. We got Lapa Arches, Christ the Redeemer, all the favelas. Going on our own private ride, and our Captain Paolo's gonna be there, like always, you know. Classic Captain Paolo taking us. So if you guys want to know what it is, what it's like to be Kylie Jenner, I think this is a little insight. Oh, this is the end of me exciting. And luckily it's nice weather. We're in a helicopter. Craziest thing ever. Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Oh my god! Look at that. I don't. Oh my god. This is the coolest thing need to name Princess Raj, Raj Kumar, Catherine Taylor. Oh my god! Bye, thank you. We just went on our first helicopter ride ever and it was literally amazing.
I think this is the best place to go.
Guys, if you come to Brazil, like it doesn't even matter, just go. It was so worth the money. And that's probably the only helicopter ride I'll probably ever go on. But I'm not complaining. Thank you. The Christ Redeemer looked so pretty.
Such an amazing. I
Thank
was
you,
scared.
Appa.
If
If you're coming to Brazil, come with Appa.
Really good, right?
Yeah, it is all.
Rio is fantastic.
Yeah.
It's a mix of everything.
Exactly, that's what we were just saying.
Yeah, nature and Copacabana is like.
And the weather was like perfect. So like, yeah. This is the new one, so yeah.
Tommy, why are you so happy? I can't stop smiling after the helicopter ride. I'm just so happy. Like I just think about the view and I'm like, oh yeah, good time. Good time. It was amazing. Literally, Christ the Redeemer never looked so good.
That was
sun was in
unbelievable. He went around it.
Yeah.
That's the. I thought he'll just go near and come.
And even
I-
like
he
face to
went
face.
around.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know.
It
That
literally
was
looks like
really good.
something you would see in a movie. But you
Wow.
like, the travel diary might just be full of this because it's just amazing. Just go, guys. You don't
Come to
know.
Rio, that is worth it.
Yeah, like don't do anything else.
If you don't eat.
If you can't do anything else, just do that because you see everything. You see Copacabana, you see the Sugar Rush Mountain, you see all the favelas. The
I
favelas
think
are
if
crazy.
you come to Brazil, you have to do that.
Yeah,
Don't do a helicopter ride anywhere else.
You should go north.
yeah.
Far away.
You know, Kylie Jenner can do all she wants, but you're not Kylie Jenner. You don't have that £1 billion. So just spend your money well and come to Brazil. Look at that favelas. That's literally exactly what geography GCSE look like.
Favelas are crazy.
What Napa was saying, it feels like Florida with all these shopping malls and nice buildings they have here. Crazy. See? They have like so many shopping malls.
But there was nothing much here 10 years ago. Last 10 years before they moved all of
After they got everyone playing their volleyball. Oh, that's no volleyball, I mean. Keep your uppies. One of the beaches in Brazil. So many volleyball nets. 6 o'clock. We just walked 10 minutes from our hotel and we are here at the Copacabana beach, baby. Look at this. Copacabana. I love me some churros.
Hey, better than
That is disgusting. Got some squids, paella, lobster,